What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on this Christmas edition Buick Grand National and this F1 or F250, I think. And I picked this bad boy up from the dollar bin at J-Car. Alright guys, here is the Ford F250 with the Tonka Tractor Supply stripe on the side of it. Now I think this is a Maisto 2-pack from Hobby Lobby. I think that's the only place where I've seen these. But I think it came out really nice. I like it. I like the way the wheels just bring out a little bit more detail. Alright guys, here is the Buick Grand National with the swingers on there. You know how to put them elbows on there, the black ones to match the black interior, the black bumpers. I think it came out really nice. I like that paint. I think it looks really good. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.